Welcome to Cool Life channel. Today is November 28, 2024. I'm here in Guangzhou Cool Life to introduce our products to you. This is EV's Energy Management Demo Teaching Board. It means it can use the LED light to simulate it during working different working conditions, the energy flow. And there's many buttons here. Different button means different working condition. So starting condition, low speed, general speed, full speed, and braking, deceleration, parking. Here is the gear switch. It's like the gear lever can change the gear to D gear, neutral gear, reverse gear, and this will show also the lighting will show what gear it is. This motor here can show also the running of the motor because the directions can show D direction and reverse direction. Here's the current C indicators can show during working the current conditions what it changed. The map, the drawing here can show the layout of the system, like from the high volts battery to the DC and also to the motor and to the reducer to the wheel. And this is the low volts electricity system, the DC, the battery charging, the low volt system as well. Now we start to turn on the machine. Turn on it, and you will see now it's in the natural gear. Right now, the natural gear. And if we want to, now we want to see, we want to turn on the car because it's still not on. So when we use the pedal to increase the speed, it still keeps the same. Now we just turn on it through the D gear. We will see the motor already running. And the battery already slowly show the energy flow to the motor because now it's just the on condition, start condition. And now we press the pedal, increase the speed. You can see the lighting now from the low speed to normal speed. And just now, when I return it, it is the braking, light braking or deceleration. And the lighting flow is different as well. If we increase it, the lighting speed is increased to simulate the energy used more. Now it's fully speed. Now it goes very fast. Also, to the low volt system as well. And we can see now the currents now on like 0.3. And when we return it, because it recharges the battery, because like the braking, recharge the battery, and the battery, we can see details, the current also change, right? Just because it charges. And we can see the light indicators on different conditions as well. Also, if we want to log during our education, we want to log during our class, we want to log the condition to explain to the student, and now it log. And then we can explain to the student right now the energies from the battery to the DC, the inverter, and then to the motor, to the reducer. Yes. If we want to release it, we can press it, and then it will return to normal. Return to normal. Now if we change the gear to reverse, we can see the direction of the motor change. This is the training manual of the energy flow simulator. It's very popular for EV's lab. Using in China or other countries. We sell a lot of this model as well. Thank you. If you need more information, just contact with School Life.